Here's one of those rare one-story end-unit condos with no neighbors above or below. This move-in ready 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo is neat and clean with brand new carpets, new granite kitchen counters and a stainless steel sink, fresh paint, new curtains, and a really nice open floor plan with 2 private patios. The Homeowners Association dues are now $320 per month and includes an assigned covered parking space, and this Terraza Del Sol Homeowners Association complex has a lovely community pool area and clubhouse, community laundry facilities, and it's just across from Concord's Hillcrest Community Park. This nice condo is just minutes away from the North Conord BART Station, Highways 680 and 4, and Sun Valley's extensive regional shopping center. Private one-story end units like this are rare in this price range, so call me now to set an appointment to see it soon.